In the heart of India's bustling textile industry, a silent revolution is overdue. As global markets evolve, our industry must leap forward, embracing modern technology and closing critical skill gap. But there is a challenge: awareness. Many of our industry remain unaware of how smart solutions can dramatically reduce product cost and enhance competitiveness. Imagine reducing waste, speed up production, and cutting costs, all by integrating advanced technologies. Yet, without the shift, India loses the golden opportunity to capitalize on global ownership, especially from the countries currently facing political challenges. The key challenge: a significant skill gap. Our workers excel in traditional methods but often lack high tech skills as compared to the best modern factories worldwide. What's the solution? Start with benchmarking, identifying where we stand against the best, and strategizing improvements. We need tailored training programs, adoption of cutting edge technology, and a culture that embraces continuous learning and innovation. This is where Medaski Consulting steps in. We are working closely with the industry leaders to understand productivity gap and implement the customized solutions. From optimizing workflow to deploying the latest in automation and digital tracking, we ensure that each solution is perfect fit for the organization. Together, we are not just transforming factories, we are setting new benchmarks for the entire industry, ensuring India not only meets but exceeds global standards. Contact us at Medaski Consulting. Together, we weave the future that's innovative, efficient, and world leading. Because when we upgrade our tools and skills, we secure our place in the global stage.